guys, I just got a package in the mail from eBay as I got another UGG boots, but these ones are different than my previous ones, as these ones are snow boots and they remind of moon boots. So let's unbox them. Here's the box that it came in. So let's open it. Oh, nice. Wow. So the boot looks like this. Wow, interesting. So boot looks like this. It is model name called UGG Cottrell, and it is like moon boots model. This part is made from leather and this is like polyester or something, and here you can regulate, and it has UGG sign even, and here you can also untie and tie, make it more tight, more secured. And here it also has UGG sign, and here at the back, and it has this sign. Bottom looks like this, and they are here very soft and made from, I guess, from wool, and inside it's more like foam, like this, but the deep inside is UGG, also UGG, I think, UGG insert. Yeah, and this part can be removed, so let's show you guys. Inside boat looks like this. This part is made from foam, and here it has some UGG sign, and bottom looks like this, and this part is made from foam, and here is the UGG tag. I bought it in size US 9, and they run true to size. And other one looks like this, the same, just different tag. Here left the boot has security, authenticity code, and this sun changing in the different angle, and boot looks the same. As you can see, here is tag. It has Tinsulate insulation for footwear. It says here these things. Let's try them on. And both inside without this thing looks like this. Here it says Tinsulate isolation, size 9, test 200 grams. And this part inside is very stiff, so I guess this part has to be worn. I tried them on and they looks like this on me, as you can see here. It looks like this, as you can see. Very cute, funny looking boats. But it would be better looking with leggings. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up and subscribe for more in future, as I will do more videos and also vlogs and other style videos. So subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.